My name is Joshua. I'm a system administrator. For Power BI, I'll rate Power BI 5 over 5. And for more reviews like this, click the button below. Using Microsoft Power BI, for sure, it's because of its scalability and cost effectiveness, because it has a better insight through exposing data trends and patterns. You can easily embed Power BI visual into Power BI apps, and you can easily integrate with other Microsoft solutions such as Azure, Data Service, and the rest. Also, sharing data, dashboards, and reports with Power BI, it's absolutely amazing because in my company, we have a mobile application, and the best way we send our reporting in terms of statistics is through Power BI, and it makes the work a whole lot more easier in reporting. Thank you. What I love most about Microsoft Power BI is the workspace, as it's easily created. Um, you have places to collaborate with colleagues, to share connection through dashboards and reports. Also, easy to enable peer-to-peer sharing, um, a way to share to publish through the dashboard as report with people outside the organization using Power BI. And the most fantastic thing is you can adopt and you can integrate people from other domain into your own Power BI reporting domain, which makes it fantastic, beautiful. Thank you. To talk about dislike about Power BI, I don't think I've found any reason to give a negative feedback about Power BI because it does exactly what I wanted it to do for me. For now, I've been using Power BI for the past 1.5 years, and I don't think I have any negative feedback about Power BI for now, at least. So that's it.